This cafe in Hualien City in eastern Taiwan seems quite normal, with customers chatting in the main shop. But the backyard hides a secret, a decades-old air raid shelter.
租任这间咖啡厅的时候就有这个防空洞，那应该是就是日据时期留下来的。
It's old and in poor repair. But with China's recent military drills around Taiwan, security and safety are on many people's minds.
然后来好几次，我第一次看到，好珍惜啊。
There are thousands more shelters like this one across the country. They are in shopping malls, residential and commercial buildings, parking lots, and almost anywhere anyone can get to quickly, just in case. Kama Xu and Eric Gao for TaiwanPlus.